How to create an account on Amazon. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to create an account on Amazon, what you're gonna simply do is, first of all, launch the Amazon application on your device. After you do that, over here you can see you have to enter your region or country, then the language that is familiar to you, and your currency over here. After you enter all of them, tap on done. Then over here you can either sign in if you already are a customer, or if you want to create an account, tap on new to Amazon, or you can skip it. Due to protection reason, this page cannot be shown to you. However, over here you need to enter your phone number or your email. After you do that, you have to enter your password. Then you can successfully create a new account on Amazon. So this is how you can create an account on Amazon. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you, and see you in the next one.